So I'm thinking about doing something kind of like an experiment. Stuck that bottle on one spot and the other spot. I've never had the opportunity to drive this car with radial tires on it. These big 16-inch tires are all bias ply, and bias ply tires are just stiffer than radials. Radials have a lot of cushion in them just because of the way they're made. That you hit a bump and the tire itself absorbs a lot of the bump, and it makes for a smoother riding car. I've always been curious about how this car would do with a set of radials all the way around, and to buy those big radials like that, oh, they're quite expensive. Like, you probably spend $1,000, I'm guessing, to put a set of big 16-inch or 16.5s or whatever they are all around the car. Having said that, these tires are as tall as the front tires, and I've ordered 2 more Cooper tires of that same size. It's supposed to come today. And I've got 2 more wheels out there, those green 15-inch wheels that I had on here originally. Well, those are bias plies too, and they're smaller, but I could put those new 15-inch wheels on those 2 green wheels. They're actually chrome reverses, so I could probably sand off, wash off, or flake off most of that old green paint because it didn't stick to that chrome very well anyway. And then I could put these radials on all 4 corners of this car, and then go out and drive it and see what I think. Now, if it made a big enough difference so that it really felt good driving, because right now it feels really good driving, but if having radials all the way around on it made a big enough difference, I might want to make that a permanent change. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about in my head today as I consider what comes next. I just thought I'd mention that to you, because sure enough, some of y'all are going to squall if I should decide not to run these wire wheels. But before you start, one of the things I don't remember is anything I do, I can undo, as far as wheels and things like that. So if you see me, pulling off these wheels, it's not like I send them off to Hades. I got them out in the barn, I got them in a shed, I got them around here somewhere. So almost everything I ever done here, I can undo and redo back different. So I just say that. Keep y'all from going in the morning or anything. Okay?